how to save your output to a CSV file. For this, we will use the library Pandas. If you prefer, you can use the CSV module instead, but in this tutorial, we will use Pandas, which will be very useful for you to learn about. So if you have not already installed Pandas, you can install it by typing in this command in your terminal or CMD: pip install pandas. Then, in your code, add this line: import pandas as PD. Now, before the while loop, create an empty dictionary, say NPO jobs, to save your data. You can also have job no equals 0, which you will use later to count jobs if you want. Then inside the for loop, add job no plus equals 1, which will give you a new number for each job. So now you can update the dictionary NPO jobs. As a quick reminder, this is how you update a dictionary. So back to our Craigslist code. Let's update the dictionary NPO jobs, and we will add this at the end of the for loop. You need a dictionary key for each job, which can be the current job no, or the current job title, or whatever you prefer. And of course, you need a value for each key, and in this case it must be a list of job details. Yes, it must be a list, and you will see why in a moment. So the list value will include the job details such as title, location, date, link, job attributes, and job description. By the end of the while loop, your NPO jobs dictionary will include all the jobs in the form of keys and values. And you can print the dictionary NPO jobs if you want to check it. Now it is time to use the Pandas library you have imported. Outside both the for loop and the while loop, add this code line: NPO jobs df equals pd.dataframe.fromDict NPO jobs. Orient equals index. Columns equals job title, location, date, link, job attributes, job description. This line converts the NPO jobs dictionary into a data frame. What is a data frame? Data frame is another Python data structure which is specific to Pandas. You can see how it looks like by printing the first 10 rows using the head method. Using data frames can make handling data much easier, especially if more processing is needed. So use pd.dataframe.fromDict and specify the name of the dictionary you want to convert to a Panda data frame. Here you have orient equals index, which means each key and value forms a row. Also, you have the columns attribute, which is just the table header. That is to say, the name of each column. Let's now convert the Pandas data frame into a CSV file using the method toCSV and specifying the file name as you prefer. So here, if everything works fine, after running your code, you should find a CSV file created in the same location as your Python file. And this npo jobs.csv will include all the jobs you extracted and their details. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions, please feel free to send them to the dedicated Q&A section.